Welcome back. Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar announced his retirement from ODI format on Sunday. His decision came in just few hours before the selectors were to meet to pick squad for series against Pakistan. Sachin's this step has brought an end to a glorious 23-year-old career in the format, during which he rewrote numerous batting records. The brightest moment of his ODI career came last year when he finally became part of World Cup winning Indian team after 5 previous appearances.
Goes the ball. Well, that's one of them. It could be the 100. They're going for the second. Yes, that's Tendulkar's 100. His first international 100. International one-day 100. And he must be vastly relieved.
One shot of that second 100. The shot is punched up to the cover, and he's got there. Sachin Tendulkar, 100 not out.
He's got that away, that's it.
With striking bounce, that's when they want to the second. 99 not out, nothing but goals. Yes, he's the local boy, he's the Mumbai captain. He's got it. 100 not out to Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone up on that lead here. Century number 10.
That's it. 100 number 15 for Sachin Tendulkar, one-day internationals. Tremendous omission.
And in all, number 46 in one-day internationals.
What a innings. What a display. Gets out, privileged. First man on the planet to reach 200. And it's a Superman from India. Sachin Tendulkar. 200 from 147. Take a bow, master. Second 100 on this ground. His fourth against South Africa.
Kalangut police has rescued 3 girls involved in prostitution and arrested 3 accused persons who are working as pimps. Kalangut police are interrogating the accused to unearth more details, while rescued girls have been lodged in state protective homes at Mauritius.
Today early morning, we have conducted 2 raids. Both raids were conducted at Sikeri upon receipt of reliable and specific information. In the first raid, a Wagoner car was intercepted, wherein 2 accused persons were found who had procured one girl from Delhi. The girl was rescued, and we have apprehended both the accused persons.
PI Nolas Rapos said police is very much vigilant as next 15 days are very crucial for law and order. Many tourists come to the state for Christmas and New Year celebration.
We are putting on our best. See, we work on the basis of specific and reliable information. In fact, we have a lot of work to do during another 15 days. So, hard work pays off.
Meanwhile, Kalangut police have arrested a Nigerian national Jerry Dozie Chukwu for forging with visa and harassing another foreigner lady. Police is interrogating his motive behind his India visit on forged document, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It said, seems like people and societies who had contributed during Goa's freedom struggle are forgotten. The Indian Red Cross Society at Murgaon is one of such societies. At present, it's lying in a sorry state. What Surendra Madkekar's special report.
गोयच्या मुक्ती लढ्याची 51 वर्सां मी साजरी करता. गोयच्या मुक्ती लढ्याच्या संग्रामात जायत्या जणांनी हातभार लायलेलो. तशीच एक संस्था असलेली इंडियन रेड क्रॉस सोसायटी म्हणून हेंच्यांनी जे झुजारी असलेले तांकां मदत करपाक लागून खूब हातभार लायताले. पूण हांगसर हे तांचे ऑफिस असलेले. आज ह्या ऑफिसाक पळयत जाल्यार तांकां कोणूच वाली ना कसो दिसता. ह्या ऑफिसाची परिस्थिती पळयल्यार तांची कोणूच हांगसर मदत घेना, दखल घेना कशें दिसता. ह्या संस्थेन गोयच्या मुक्ती झुजाऱ्यांक खूब मदत केल्ल्या कारणान आज एकाच कोण तरी मदत करतलो काय कितें अशी परिस्थिती येयल्ली आसा. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
Now we look at the other events in the state.
Association of Friends of Astronomy, along with the Corporation of City of Panaji, had organized a special program in Panaji. Fun activities like drawing, quiz competition were held. Passion in Paradise, Modern-Day Catholicism in Goa, written by Christine Fernandez, was released at Kalangut. Christine has dedicated this book to her husband.
Catholicism in Goa, for me, is very interesting because it's very different from Catholicism in Germany, where I'm from, because people are very passionate about their faith, and it's very much part of their daily lives. And I like very much how respectful different cultures and religions are towards each other, and they actually practice with each other.
12th state-level youth festival concluded at Margao. It was organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Around 1,500 youth participated in this event.
1,500 जे तरणाटे चलयो आणि चलयो आणि ह्या विंगड 17 विंगड इव्हेंट्सांनी भाग घेतिल्लो. कांय इव्हेंट्सान जरी कमी स्पर्धक आशिल्ले तरी ताचो दर्जो एकदम बरो आशिल्लो आणि फुडल्या वर्सा जास्तीत जास्त पार्टिसिपेशन जावचें म्हणून आमी थाराव घेतिल्लो आसा की तालुका लेवलाचेर 12 तालुक्यांनी पहिल्या सुवातेर हे युवा महोत्सव जातले.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.